Today we are going to learn about speed. We will be doing the numerical speed based on speed, time and distance. In the previous class, we have already discussed the relation between these three factors. First of all, you should know how we are going to denote capital S. Here you will find capital T and here you will find capital D. See, we have already done it through a triangle. What I have told is, first you will write D, here you will write S and here you will write T. So you can relate these three factors. First one is D. If I will cover this D, what is left? Speed and time. So I will write speed into time. If I want to calculate speed, so what other two factors are there? Distance and time. So speed will be distance divided by time. If I want to calculate time, so what is left? Distance and speed. So if I want to calculate time, I have to divide distance by speed. So these are the three formulas. Suppose I am taking an example. Question number 1 we are taking. Suppose speed is given. Speed is 200 km per hour. And time is given. Time is given. Suppose I am taking 1.5 hours. An object is traveling from one place to another place with a speed of 200 km per hour and time is given. So what they are asking, you will have to calculate distance. How much distance that object will cover. So we will be using this triangle. This triangle, what we are calling its name? It is called DST triangle. What we are calling? DST triangle. Using the help of DST triangle, we can easily calculate distance. As we have done, if I want to calculate distance, so in every question for your this thing you can make, it will be quite easy for you. You will remember this triangle DST. Okay, so here I want to calculate D, so I have to cover D, speed into time. So distance equals speed into time. So what are the things given to you? You just write the values. So speed is given 200 km per hour into time is given 1.5 hour. Okay, so first I will calculate for 1 hour. 1.5 means 1 plus half. So first we can calculate for 1 hour and for next we can calculate for half hour. So 200 into 1 plus 200 into half. So what is the distance beta? 200 km plus half of 200, easily you can calculate 100. So it will be 300 kilometers. So that object which is traveling with a speed of 200 km per hour, in 1.5 hour it will cover how much distance? It will cover 300 kilometers. Let us take one more example. Through that you can easily calculate the questions. Let us take one more example. I hope this is clear. You can note it down. I will share the notes after the class. Same notes. So no need to worry. Just pay attention. Second question I am taking. Question number 2. 1 minute. Yes. Here, this time you are given this time you are given distance. Distance is given 2000 km, suppose. And here, time is given 2 hours. An object covers, let us take this capital T only. Okay, you will find in textbook capital T. Okay, sometimes you will find that. Okay, so here they are now asking speed. What will be the speed of the object if it has covered 2000 kilometers in 2 hours? It will be given in word problem. Okay, I am just taking straight forward. So see, speed will be, speed equals, you will make that triangle, already I have told, you will make that triangle. So this will be D, S, T. Here, this time we want to calculate speed. So speed will be distance divided by time. You cover that S, you will find D divided by T. So speed will be D divided by T. So here D is given, distance is given 2000 km divided by what is given? Time 2 hours. So it will be 2000 divided by 2. So it will be 1000. But keep it in mind, here speed is they are asking. So unit will be kilometer divided by hours, that is kilometer per hour. So what is the speed of the object? So speed of the object is 1000 kilometer per hour. Okay, so like that I will give one unsolved question to you. So that question also you try. I will give the one word problem. Okay, I will give one word problem that you have to solve. So this will be your homework. Question number 1. If you are traveling from Ernakulam, I am writing in short, Ernakulam to New Delhi by train, whose speed is given, we will not use whose, no in English, which is running at a speed you will use, which is running or which runs at a speed of 200 kilometer per hour, and it is taking 40 hours. It is taking 40 hours to reach there. Calculate the distance. So in this question you have to identify what all things are given to you and what things you are going to calculate. Another one question, small question. Speed is given 300 km per hour. Time is given 4.5 hours, and you can calculate what you are going to, you can calculate distance. What is the distance that object is going to cover? So these two questions you solve. We will discuss these questions in the next class. Okay, bye bye.